best that London has to offer, you've got to hit the streets. And we here at Free Tours by Foot are ready to take you on one of our much-loved walking tours to help you discover the London we all know and love. Walking tours take you where bus tours and coach tours never can. We're going to get you up close and personal with some of the iconic sites you've traveled from all over the world to see. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, St. Paul's Cathedral and the Tower of London, Piccadilly Circus and Soho, and everything in between. We're going to take the time to really see, enjoy, appreciate, and photograph the best that London has to offer as we travel on foot down medieval alleyways and along some of the oldest and most famous streets in town. And as soon as Anne of Cleves appears, he says, "Whoa, you do not look anything like you looked in that portrait." Free Tours by Foot offers free tours on a pay-what-you-like basis, which means you get to set the price. It's entirely in your hand. It also means that we ensure our guests receive the best possible tour because our guides are always working extra hard to keep you entertained and earn your appreciation.
Great tour. Margaret was a well-informed, entertaining guide.
I think it's a good mix of trivia, fun, not completely just a history lesson.
Absolutely, we would recommend it.
We loved it. Free Tours by Foot currently runs a variety of tours in London, so there's always something for everyone. We've got the Soho Tour, showing you where Beatlemania and the swinging 60s began, the Jack the Ripper Tour, transporting you back to Victorian London, the South Bank Night Tour, where you'll see all of iconic London lit up along the Thames as the sun goes down, the East End Tour, showcasing where vibrant bohemian culture and street art come together, the classic City Tour, highlighting St. Paul's Cathedral and the Tower of London, and of course our Royal Westminster Tour. Whether you're in London for the first time or the 101st, we know we can show you a side of London you've never seen before. Our tours perfectly match top quality guiding with budget-friendly travel to provide the best walking tours in London. But don't just take my word for it. Come along and join us on one of our tours here in London as we explore the stories, the sights, and the characters that make London so amazing.